Guys, so I just got an order from Temu. So
this is our salad.
Yes, I saw this salad on So I just got an order from Temu. Is it Temu or Temu? Yeah, I don't know. I downloaded it, so you're like, okay, you get 360,000 naira free. I should just buy only one package. Then from there, it's not on to buying something of 10,000 naira to get 360,000 naira free. Me thinking that the 360,000 naira was gonna be free money as a Nigerian that I am, but no free money. So let me just see if what I ordered versus what I got. If it's what I got though, because
I got.
Yeah.
Perfect.
I ordered this since December and it came in today. Can you imagine? What is this? Yeah, this is nice because it's same as I saw in the it's same thing that I saw in the website. Okay, but this one, what is this? This looks bigger. I'm gonna put a picture. Hopefully I snap that picture or I'll find it. Anyway, I'm gonna put a picture somewhere. You guys will see that it looks big. Waiting be this. Waiting be this, Temu. What is that? What am I going to use that to do? I thought it's like it's going to be like a big tray that I can use to serve food to Oga. You understand? That's why I bought it. Oh, don't know that this tiny thing. Is this going? Am I going to do coffee or what? Hi. Wow. What you order but is what I get. This one, I bought this one for Madam. It's like, I thought it would be like an aluminium. It's still like rubber. This is how it looks like. I got this one for Madam with spoon. I thought this is gonna be a big tray. I thought it's gonna be a big tray. It's wood. It's not wood. It's plastic. It's like plastic. I thought it's gonna be a wood tray. May I wait? What can we put inside now? Let me see if glass cup can enter inside here. Okay, I've got some glass cup. Let's see how many glass cup. Okay, not bad. If 2 glass cup can enter inside here, not bad. But still, it's too small. It's only for serving cup or whatever. I thought it's gonna be like a long something. Oh my god, wow. So these two now I paid 9,000 something for these two. For this, wait, not the couple, for this one and this one I paid 9,000 something, thinking I'm going to be getting like 360,000 naira cash back, not knowing that it's they use sense for us. Temu, if I using sense for us. But anyway, if you want to shop in Temu, just check wherever you're shopping. Check it very well. Make sure that is what you order versus what you got, because this tray, I'm quite disappointed about the tray. All right, because I thought it's gonna be a bigger tray, but it's a small one. But this plate, I'm comfortable with this because I ordered something like this, but I thought it's gonna be like this ceramic, but I don't know. And yeah, that's the update, guys. So see you guys in the next clip. Let me know, have you ordered from Temu before? What was your experience? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, yeah, I want to cook. I'm making dinner here, but I don't think I'll show the recipe because I don't get strength nowadays. I know they get strength to vlog again. Maybe it's the views, but we'll keep on pushing. So I'll see you guys later. I am tired. I finished. I went to go and do scooting with Madam. I went to go and drive her scooter. My waist is spinning me, so I don't know. I'll catch you guys later.
Bye. So this is our salad.
Yes, I saw this salad on somebody's DP and I decided to recreate it. The only thing that difference is that there was no olives inside, but there was egg, avocado, onions, tomato, lettuce, and now I have olives. So I'm going to be enjoying this as my dinner with my green juice.
With Mia.
Yes, with Mia, but Mia will not drink the green juice. She will enjoy this one with me, but without the green juice. Guys, I'm still doing my no egg. Keep quiet. Let me talk. I'm still doing my no carb challenge, but I like call it no carb. Yes, no carb challenge. Still, I'll eat carb, but maybe once in a week. Then the remaining weeks I will do no carb. Then once in a week I will eat carb. I think that's what I will do, just to balance the whole diet stuff. Okay, so I will now be eating more of protein and more of this. Sorry about the background. There is no light one, and it's like it wants to rain too, so the background is kind of dark. So sorry about that. Anyway, this is what we're having for dinner. This salad. I said earlier on, I saw it on somebody's DP, and I was like, oh, I need to recreate that, and I did. I love it. I'm going to be trying it now to see if how it tastes. Yeah, so for my dressing is just keep quiet. For my dressing is just olive oil and salt. That's what I'm going to use to dress the salad. Yeah. Oh, unboxing. Let's unbox. I just got this electric jug, and we're gonna be unboxing it. Ooh. My other electric jug spoiled. Anyway, it has this one. It has lasted me for 3 years now, and the fact I use this every single day. Now there's no day I don't use this jug. Every day, maybe like 3 or 4 times boiling water, but every single day for 3 years. So it has lasted. So let me move it from there. We decided to get a new jug, and let's check it out together.
Let's unbox it.
Guys, to unbox it.
Is the pot boiling?
Hot boiling.
Yes.
What is hot boiling? I got this from Konga. I was thinking there will be a free gift inside. It's just only their sticker. Got it from Konga. Initially, the first time we ordered this, they cancelled, saying that the person did not have it. Maybe the person did not have it or something like that. Anyway, delivery, shipping and handling 5,007. This thing. This is 3/8 for the kettle. So this is this thing. If you need to do this thing for your parcel, don't collect it. Alright, so let's check this out.
Yes, let's check it together. Let's remove it.
So, I don't know if people are saying, but anyway, I'm going to tell like this first. So this is it. The kettle is let me grab my mic.
Your mind.
Yes. So this is what it is. Digital. This is it. This is how the kettle. I call it kettle now. Yeah, it's kettle. Digital kettle. Kettle. All right. We're going to be opening. But I cannot wait to open this thing. So this one is the manual.
It's hot boiling.
And there's nothing inside again.
There's nothing inside again. But then I'm not finished. What is the new
I hope this thing is new. This is too much. I don't really like this too much like that. Anyway, remove the nylon. Ah, this one is big. It's quite big. It's quite bigger than the one we had before. Yeah. This is the inside. I don't know if you guys are seeing what I'm showing you. But anyway, that's the inside. I'm going to be doing testing now. If it does not work, I will return it. Yes. So let's test it out. Still matter in your time, but I ran out of ink right. So I'm going to be testing this thing out right now. I'm going to, the maximum of this water is 1.7 liters. So I see it's on, and this is how it is. Press it. Oh, okay, you have to press it to on it. That's nice. It's boiling. Okay, so this is the temperature. Show you how hot the water is. So when it has boiled, I'll show you guys. So it has off. It's boiling. Is it going to off by itself? I don't know. I'm going to be trying it. 100. So it offs by itself. So it's now 100. Oh, that's nice. So it makes noise to let me know the water has boiled. Okay, so let me run this. And it has off. Ooh, nice.
Put it back.
Put it back. That's nice.
I am trying.
So this is how hot the water is. Shift shingai for.
But it's nice.
Yeah, it's very hot. Water is hot. Come on, we have just so. Yeah, it's hot. I see 93, 98. So it's what I think when the water goes down, cool down, it will be showing you the temperature of the water. So the temperature is going down. So that is the water temperature is going down. Quite impressive. Yeah, guys. So that's the electric jug we just got. I just hope it serves us as this Binaton. Okay. This Binaton has served us for 3 years and it's time to say goodbye. So I hope this new one serves us as the Binaton as well. Yeah, so I'll see you guys. I'll catch you guys in the next clip. Hi guys. So welcome to a new vlog. I just came back from small shopping. Not really much. Like market shopping. I don't call it market shop. Anyone shopping. So this right here, all this right here, and I spent 8,000 just to buy this thing. I want to do a challenge. 3 days challenge. I'm doing a 3 days challenge. You should come out in another video. Okay, I'm doing egg challenge for 3 days. So I went to go buy this thing. Oh, hey, stop that. So this is my egg. I bought half plate of egg, which is going for 3,000 naira.
Are you guys saying?
Hey, the egg goes for 3,000 naira. Anyway, please don't break it. And I bought apple. I bought 6 apple because I'm to be eating 2 apple every day. So I bought 6 green apples.
Yellow
So
apple.
look like green, so it looks like yellow. But anyway, I'm chopping it. Mimi, this is Mama's food. So, and I got 3 cucumber. Which for you? To be sad. That's my own the challenge. I bought tomato for you. Cucumber. So every day I will eat 1 cucumber. Because I bought 3 for 3 days. Healthy living is expensive. No, it's my own. So these things like this is going for 7.5. Just this healthy living. Then I'll be taking green tea for that 3 days. 2 cups of green tea for 2 days. For 3 days. Every day 2 cups of green tea, and at the ending I'll take a cup of oatmeal. Yeah, without sugar, like the oatmeal, just like that, without sugar, without milk. So that is why the apple comes in handy, in the sense that I can put the apple inside the oatmeal and eat it to be my sugar, my milk, everything. Yeah, so that is the challenge I'll be doing. So check out for the results in that video. This is just a random vlog that will add to another vlog. Yeah, so please keep on watching. Yesterday I unboxed a jug, which you guys have already seen. So I want to buy water. This is a jug, which is like you guys have already seen, because I'm going to add it to this particular vlog. This one I'm talking is going to be added. So let me buy water for my tea, and also cook 6 eggs.
Every corner of the world for you. I know to find you, darling. You'll be mine and I'll be yours. Finders, keepers, think I'll keep her. 1 out of 1,000,000 doesn't sum it up. I trade my gold and silver for a treasure map to find your love. You're the diamond, I'm the rough. Falling sand, I'm sinking in your hourglass. Spending every second trying to pour my heart into your